Now, shifting focus, a setback for the middle class in the national capital as the MCD clarifies that there will be no property tax exemption that is going to be granted. This comes days after the Aadmi Party-led Municipal Corporation of Delhi announced that a major property tax waiver had been passed in the House. It has now come to notice that no such bill was passed and that all property owners and occupiers will be required to pay the tax in accordance with existing laws. The MCD in a statement has said that property tax remains payable by all occupiers and owners, and no changes have been made to its applicability. The corporation also highlighted its financial challenges, including outstanding dues exceeding 14,000 crore rupees, which have impacted payments for municipal employees' salaries, retirement benefits, and contractor dues as well. It also ruled out any possibility of waiving property tax payments and also urged residents to file their property tax returns on a self-assessment basis by the 31st of March. We're crossing over to my colleague Kritika to bring us more on this. Kritika, why the confusion in the first place?
Well, I should remember last week, in fact, this week on Tuesday, in the MCD, the Mayor Mahesh Kinchi passed two, in fact, schemes, one of which was a house waiver scheme. Now, the scheme had been announced by the Aadmi Party as a means to alleviate financial strain that people in Delhi are facing as per them due to high inflation. The idea was that whoever pays up their house tax in full for the year 2024-2025 will be exempt if their houses are under 100 square feet, will be exempt entirely to be paying their previous dues from the next year, as well as those with having properties between 100 to 500 meters will enjoy a 50% cut in the taxes that they will be liable to pay. However, this, in fact, bill itself was passed amongst much commotion in the MCD House. The MCD LOP from the BJP, Raja Iqbal Singh, had said that, in fact, this entire proceeding was illegal because the leader of the House had not presented the agenda, and the BJP councillors, the opposition, was not present in the House, and it was all done in a hurry of, in fact, 3 minutes. Well, the larger point that the MCD is now clarifying this time is that no waiver, in fact, has been announced for the year 2024-2025. So every house property tax, as well as those taxes for occupiers, will have to be paid by 31st of March, which is the original deadline. What is also being clarified by the MCD is how the House is already under a constraint of financial liability of 14,000 crores, which is a loan that it had taken for the payment of salaries, for payment of construction workers and contractors as well. And that
Absolutely.
with
Kritika,
this
thank you so much for
financial
joining us
restraint
and getting us
coming
those
up,
crucial
it
details.
is,
We'll
in
continue to
fact,
track the developments here.